to Juneau. Yeah. Ooh, it's cold.
I know, John, it's cold. I need a candy.
Nakatapak din kami sa lupa. Oh. Hello, we're here in Juneau. Disembarked the ship. A lot of people. It's really crowded. Imagine all the people staying in that ship. Goes out in one time. So here we are. Look at the views. We're gonna go to Mendenhall. Hey, yo, come on. We're gonna purchase a ticket to the Glacier Express, so we can go to the Glacier and Nugget Falls.
One is an express.
That over there already. Yo, some no Glacier. Apparently the Mendenhall Glacier is sold out, so I'm gonna try another tour that goes over there. You like it?
You want your gloves? Huh? You want your...
Some cheap. Hello! So we found a tour here at Mendenhall Glacier. I mean, we found a tour here in Juneau, but it's not gonna be ready until like 4:30 p.m. So we're just gonna shop around for now, and we're gonna stroll Juneau, try to shop for a souvenir, or find some hidden gems like this. It's a totem. Cool totem. Cool. Got some Hana over there. That's our ship. That's our ship right here. Norwegian Bliss. It's a big ship, but man, it's really crowded. It's so windy right now. Hana, you like the wind? Okay. We'll take a picture. It's really nice here at Juneau. It's our first time in Alaska, and I love it. I love it when it's cold. It's alright. It's probably like around 30 degrees right now. It's all good. We're all ready, wearing our gears. Charity in the house. You like the wind?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like it. If you know, you know.
You know.
Tanggal ang stress mo dito.
Yes. We're gonna take a picture here on our ship. It's really windy, but it's fresh air. It smells like salmon. Fresh salmon. Okay. Achi. Wow, look at that. So many stuff. Go shopping. Wow. What is this? 20 bucks. Can't beat that. So I heard Juneau doesn't have any tax. So it's gonna be shopping time. Mura ng t-shirt. Ah, what? Ang mahal. See? See over here. Hat and a shirt is only $10. Man, I think we're gonna fill up our luggage. Oh my god, that's
kulay?
cheap. Ako? Kulay?
Yeah.
Yung dark na lang.
Kaya maganda ano. Mura lang.
Ang mahal naman. Nachi, 10 bucks.
Yan ang mga,
Grabe.
yan ang mga price ko.
Oo. Ano ba? Oh, look at that. For Hannah. Look. We got some cool sweaters for Bebe. Alaska. It says Alaska. Alaska. I'm not gonna, no. I'm just gonna go like this. Got done shopping. We went crazy on it. Everything's like on sale. we got like 3 bags of worth of shopping bags. Now we're heading to our tour. Started at 4:30. It's a little bit late. Hopefully there's gonna be still a sunlight. I'll see you guys there. Sasayaw daw siya. O, go! Okay.
Woo! All right. Right on top of the parking lot, we have our public library. You guys like free Wi-Fi?
Yes!
Ah, now everybody's impressed. Okay, now all the shops you guys see from here all the way down to the tram, once the last ship leaves for the season, they'll lock their doors and head home. Okay, coming around the corner up here, you guys will see a building straight off in front of us. There it is. A little bit of it.
Oh no, I forgot mine. Alright, we're doing a little side trip over here. Give you guys a little look of Juneau. It looks really nice. Man. Be, picture tayo dito. Ah, sige, doon muna. Okay. Wow, ang ganda. My God. Picture ko muna kayo.
Come on, look.
I bought you some, ano, man.
Look at that.
Dito tayo, Chi, sa gubat. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo, punta tayo sa gubat. Oh my God, ang ganda dyan. Chi, bilisan mo at gubat. Ano na tayo? Oh, dali, punta tayo, dali. Glacier. Man, it looks really nice. We're gonna go to Chat and Hannah. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Hey, punta ka dito. Wow. Wow, look at that. Ano na, dito tayo, be. Sure. Wow. Ayun. Wow. There's the Nugget Falls right there. And Mendenhall Glacier. Let's see if the water is cold. Hopefully there's no bears. So it's pretty chill. It's alright. Let's go. We're almost here. There's a bear.
A vertical life teems around, reaching for the stars abound. I walked a pace and felt the leaves preaching life to make their mark. We can take on the form of a place that riddles time.
This is Mendenhall Glacier. Those are the trees. Ice glacier. So if the glacier falls or the snow falls today, you'll be able to feel it.
And we die.
And you die. That or the bear.
So a bear. Take a picture.
Mother Earth and Mother Sky, teaching us for miles high, living lives and loving souls, human eyes to nature's role. From human eyes to nature's role. We can take on the form of a place that riddles time. When the forest sings a storm of the rain and things divine.
So again, that concludes our Juneau trip of the day. We're heading back to the ship. That's our ship right there.
Wait.
It's actually a tiring day. It's still cold. We still want to go shopping, but almost all the shops are closed now. Oh, let's see. Let's take a peek over here.
It's dark.
It's dark. So what do you think about the crab shack
I like it.
or something?
But, you know, I could easily eat 3 pounds by myself.
Alright.
I was a little sad we had to share.
We're heading back to the ship now. Man, spent like almost $400 in this place.